Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to download and install Blender on your computer. This is the best software for 3D modeling and animation. First open Google Chrome, then type Blender and hit enter. Click on the first result which should be from blender.org. That's the official website. Then click download. Then click download Blender button. That says download. The download should start automatically. After the download is complete, open the setup file. Double click here. Now just follow the installation steps. Click next. Leave everything as default. Then click next. Then click install. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Finally, click finish to launch Blender. And that's it. Search Blender. Open this app. Blender is now installed and ready to use. Click continue. Creating new file. Click general. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.